E ngā iwi o te motu nei, no i ara te wenua nei, mana ki ti aranga iwi, i te iti i te ra i te katoa, ku atu a te witi, no rungai ana mai pai, no rungai ana mai tika, i tōna ngā kaupai. Ko te ngā kaupai o ngā ringa raupa, o ngā ringa wera e āpai ana tō tātou nei ka upapa, tūturu waka maua ki a tīna, aumi e ui e, ka pai. Anō reira, tēnei wā ka uri ki a koe te rangatira e ngā pari. Ko koe anō rā e kai wakarite mo tātou mo tēnei pō. Ara mai, tēnā koutou katoa.
Tuatai ka mihi ki te haukainga, ngāti te whiti te ati awa. Kia koe, kōrua, Damon, Shorten, yo koutou karakia, yo koutou kōrua kia tā, kia mātui taina mai. E me tika, e mihi kau ana ki te haukainga i tēnei wā. E mihi kau ana ki nā waka ka puta mai, a Damon i tēnei wā. Kia koutou te ati awa. Kia koutou, Ngāti Tama, Ngāti Mutunga, Ngāti Maru, hoki. Ariki toko Māori waka, tana ki tūturu. Kia mātou o te tonga e taina mai hoki, Ngāti Rūni, moho ao, Ngā rua hene rangi, Ngā rauru hoki. No reira, mihi kau ana ki tō tātou kaupapa i karanga ki a tātou i tēnei wā, i tēnei pō. Ki te waka nui, mai te tīmata o te whakataitai, Taranaki Māori Tribal Rugby League, i roto te tau 2015 tai noa ki 2025 i tēnei wā. E tika nā mihi kia rātou ka wihi atu ki te pō. Ko rātou e takotoa a runga te papa whenua i aua wā. Ko rātou e awhi manaki a tātou puari Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League. E whakaro hoki ki te maumahara rātou, Mike Cartney, BJ Hiriti, George and Georgina Luke, Lucky Moki, Damon Whippety, Paul Tuta, Bill Taha, Elena Penn, Mark Bayliss, Atapo Kopa, and James Wood. Te nui e maumara rātou ka wihi atu. Nō reira, ka mihi, ki nā iwi, ki nā apu, ki nā whānau i taina mai, tō tātou kaupapa nui. E are koe, tū kei mua koutou, mo te pōri, te Whānui Māori Rugby League, o au te tēmana, e mihi kawana, ki a koutou i tēnei wā. Nō reira, tēnā tātou katoa. Just want to acknowledge why we are here tonight to celebrate the milestones of 10 years Taranaki Māori Rugby League. And I just want to acknowledge Howie that's amongst us today and those ones of that time that had a dream to start Tribal Rugby League in Taranaki. Even though we talk about 10 years, But I know that it was going way before then. And there was a competition where I went, weekly competition in those days. And those teams there came and played. And I remember those times of Ngāti Rūni, Pakana ki Te Aotearoa. Sometimes we were, the tīma toa, and eti iwa ko Te Aotearoa. But I remember we were playing Te Aotearoa at Yarra Stadium way back then. It looked like we were winning comfortably. And then second half was a whole different game. Te Aotearoa came back and bet us on that night. And that was because of Hayden and his kicking game in those times. I remember at Inglewood we had some games there, and there were feisty games, and I remember Damon was part of those. And sometimes we just about come to fisticuffs, even though we were on the sideline. But those are some of the memories way back then. Just say the journey had brought us together around the maunga for the love of the game and our whakapapa connections. Over the decade we have seen our tamariki, mokopona, rangatai, our tamatani, our tamawahine, our kōtero, our tamaoki, develop their skills and build relationships and learn valuable little skills through rugby league. Taranaki Whānui Rugby League is more than a game. It's a platform for our iwi hapu e wānau to come together to showcase our talents and share our stories. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of our volunteers, coaches, managers, trainers, our referees, our wānau that have supported our teams and players throughout the years. Throughout the years, your dedication and passion have been instrumental in the success of getting tamariki, rangatahi, away to Aotearoa, New Zealand Māori tournaments over the years. As we acknowledge and celebrate the milestones, let's also acknowledge the rich history of our culture, significance of our waka iwi, and their legacy lives through our whakapapa and our love of the game. Let's continue to support, uplift each other for the future of Taranaki Māori rugby. Final kōrero, I would like to make special mention to our committee, which go way and above to make sure that our rangatai teams have the funds and coordinators and coaches and managers to take our rangatai tamakotero away to Aotearoa Māori League tournaments in Rotorua. I want to make special mention that I do to Alana Pretney. Without her, our kids will never, because she's got to do all the paperwork. And she's got to create all the headaches we create for her. Joe, another important person. Without Joe, we wouldn't have the pūtea to tono for funding if she wasn't still part of us. Sonia Wiriana, Henry Rako, Nancy, Lee Cartney, Andy Tuck, Tyson Cassidy, and Nahina Kappa. You know, they've been slogging hard over the last 10 years of making sure that our mokopona be able to go to these tournaments. I have the easy job. You know, they do all the hard work. I just chair the meetings, and that's all I do. But they do all the hard work. So, kia ora, kia tū, kia tupu, kia pua wai. Let's thrive and flourish together for the future of our beautiful game as Howie will talk about later. And I just wonder me. So I just want to go back and reflect, just to acknowledge Basil Tumoana, who's just in the hospital at the moment, dementia. As a lot of us know, a lot of our whānau are going through dementia at the moment. I just want to acknowledge my tuakana, D. Tahi Broughton, who lost his wife of 63 years just the other day. And he tells their stories of winning a competition when they were only 16 and they were playing men at those times. And he talks about another one of that photo that won that competition in that day, being Ricky Bertram. Ricky Bertram is in Perth at the moment and his health is not very well. But my tuakana talks about those days, or how strong rugby league was in those days. He talked about 1958 when league was must have been at that top at that time. Talked about every team had two teams. Every team has two buses when they went to play each other. And those are the memories of my tuakana around. And he talked about how he played against your father in those days. So my tuakana is about 83 now, so he has a lot of memories of those days. Probably the other one I want to mention too is Barry Broughton, that has a lot of time for us. And there will be other players of those days in each club. So, nō reira, nā mihi ki a koutou. Enjoy your night tonight. And, you know, special mention to Nahina again. You know, he got the moia for this kaupapa, that we come together collectively and acknowledge those ones over the last 10 years. But I'd just like to say we need to acknowledge our mokopuna, but that's another time. Nō reira, nā tēnā tātou katoa. Our mokopono tātou, Gail. Brisbane Broncos, mention my sister-in-law Patsy and my brother Greg for allowing us to bring this taonga here to be shared with everybody. So, nō reira, tēnā tātou katoa.
Kia ora tātou te whānau. Nō reira e tautokanga kōrero o tō tātou te mana. Huri no kia rawa kua wātea tātou I roto te karakia nō reira tēnā tātou. Just before I start the formalities of what I'm here for, I just want to, if that's a Broncos trophy, have a look at this. and my toenails. Anyway, yeah, Pari, in terms of your kōrero, and I look out here, and so I've been asked to bless the taonga here, and the jerseys, they're all taonga, but you're the most important. And for those who have haere ana, I roto ona kōrero, huri no kia rātou, ka re ora tanga I tēnei wā,
He tūhono hono rātou wairua I roto e nei karakia I roto tōku nākau. Mo e nei taunga e kitia koutou. No reira, koutou ho mai kia tēnei, hone rangi niua. Mai te wairua, Hawaii ki nui, Hawaii ki roa, Hawaii ki pāmāmao. I wakaputa nei, I nei wairua ki a tātou. E korowai mō tātou, e nei wai. E korowai. Rere roko e nei taunga. O ngā karanaki whānui. E nei maua o ngā mātou tūpuna. E roa rātou ora. Ka painga, ka haerenga. Tai no ki tēnei wā, I tēnei tau. Ana e nei taunga. E nei taunga. Mō rātou, tēnei wā. Ngā rangatahi. Tai no kia rāwa, kaumātua. E timatanga e nei uiuinga o te riki. Nā reira, takina te Māori, ka ihi. Takina te Māori, ko te Māori kai wānu. Takina te Māori o rātou, ko tai mai, roto te karano tēnei tō, e roto I tātou. Roto e nei taunga, kia rātou e wini, neira, e mihi kia rātou, ngā wāhine, ngā tāne. Ana, ka kiki a tātou kia kaumahara, ngā mahi, a haoro mā. Engari, iai e te kōrero o enei taunga. Engari mo tēnei whakatakato, te mana I roto I a tātou, katoa I te pōnei, riri hau, pai marire. I believe there's going to be a short video before we go on to the next.
I will always come back to you. I will always come back.
Akātira tēnā tātou ko hui mai nei te pōnei. Ai tēnei kaupapa whakahira te whakanui, te kautau o tēnei kaupapa, te whakataitai riki, Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League Tournament. I just want to welcome everyone here tonight on this special occasion celebrating 10 years of the annual Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League team. Let's give ourselves a round of applause, whānui. For those that don't know me, my name's Rangiwahia Wano. I whakapapa to all 3 waka, which in turn whakapapa to all 8 iwi. So on that note, no one's safe tonight at Te Whānau. No iwi is safe. So if you feel some digs coming your way and you're feeling a bit pāmanawa, suck it up. I was fortunate enough to play for Te Atiawa in the inaugural tournament at Ahutu. Obviously, the salary cap rules have been abolished since then. So, and then following that, I was able to jump in with the Taranaki Tūturu whānau and help out my tuakana Jade, where I was lucky enough to, he approached me about composing a haka, and this year that haka was lucky enough to win the haka trophy. So stoked there's about that, and then this year I sort of wriggled my way into my Ngāti Ruanui whānau and sort of helped out where I could. But you know, some of these teams are well-run machines. You sort of come in and help, and you sort of don't really know what to do because all your fellows' hard work is paying off, and everyone that's involved in their teams. 10 years of this kaupapa. We need to understand that this is beautiful kaupapa, amazing kaupapa.
I talk about the hard work that goes into setting up these teams, and you know, you plan, you march, you start planning, you start contacting, creating group chats, trying to get players involved, trying to get you know, stripping tape and all those things, registration, money to strip all these beautiful jerseys. It's a lot of hard work. Then you come into the tournament, and then hello, it's Monday morning, and you've got to drag your normal back off the mahi. So it's really important to have kaupapa like this tonight, where we come and celebrate everyone's hard work. So I just want to acknowledge the committee, koutou, that have decided that we needed to do this year. It's a beautiful kaupapa. So mihi ana ka koutou. It's going to be a long night, so I don't want to drag it on too long. If I'm getting a bit boring or dragging on, let me know, and I'll move on. But enjoy your night. The bar's there, and as we go on, I'll lay down some house rules. So, Wharepaku amenities, you would all pass them on the way in. You know where they are. Emergency exits, look for the green man. It's an emergency exit in Atato. Smoking areas, outside. Don't be like some students at Alkura, smoking in the Wharepaku, vaping in the Wharepaku. I've got the awards process coming up, so as the night goes on, I'll explain that to our whānau. And then just let's be respectful to each other. I know there are white people's involved, and some people like to get big shoulders, but this is where kaupapa celebration. So be respectful, look after each other, and it's always about uplifting, It's always about uplifting. And then the schedule for tonight, mihi ana ki te haukainga, ngā te whiti nā koutou tēnei tūpere ki pōnei. Then we're going to move into our guest speakers, and then dinner will flow. Yep, I'm hungry. Desert, and reflections on the last 10 years, and then team of the decade, and then followed by closing kōrero entertainment, and then we wrap it up by 12 a.m. I know those Te Atiawa boys like to go for days, so if you want to find the kick-ons, go tap on one of these shoulders. We're going to acknowledge our sponsors, and we need to really acknowledge our sponsors, whānau. Me kore ake ko rātou, if it wasn't for them, then we wouldn't be able to have this beautiful kaupapa that draws everyone back from Australia, from up north, from down south, from all over the mutu. So, and if it isn't for them, I want to acknowledge that, you know, this kaupapa wouldn't be here. So that's Toy Foundation, PKW, One Foundation, Greymouth Petroleum, and Bena Enterprises. E mihi ana ka koutou. Ki te Yape, Sari, Sam, koutou mā, umate whakapaki e wama. We move on to the 10th anniversary sponsors and their logos. We have Te Kāhui o Taranaki Iwi, Te Kāhui o Maru, Te Kāhui o Rau, Te Runanga o Ngāti Ronui, Te Runanga o Ngāti Mutunga. Umate whakapaki whānau. And then if we, I've seen everyone this week all sharing their photos with mud all over their faces, or them scoring a try, or them holding a trophy. If it wasn't for Te Korimaku, who've been there since the inception, we wouldn't be able to have those memories. And then look at Koroa Media, Jackson, koutou mā. And then as the Waha Creative Tūtiri, koutou ko tama, aharina koutou mā, e mihi ana kia koutou. Round of applause for the So from now we move into the team of the decade. So here I've got an outline of how that looks. So there's we've got a point system for our players. Players accumulate points over the 10 years based on their performance at each annual tournament. Achievement, named in the tournament team, they get 1 point. Best back or best forward, they get 1.5 points. Player of the tournament per grade, you get 2 points. Points are cumulative across the tournament. Players with the highest total points are selected for the team of the decade. These are the rules, whānau. These are the rules. If you feel like someone should have been in there, but they're not in there, there's been a process. There's been a process. It's not like Sean Johnson and Kevin Punga a couple of years ago. So, suck it up, eh? That's the common thing, like suck it up. Now, if we get to a tiebreaker, If all players had equal points, the following criteria will be used in order. Number of tournaments, team selection. Number of tournaments played, panel discretion based on overall impact and contribution. Positional allocation. Players are placed in a position based on their historical selection in tournament teams. The panel has the discretion to adjust positions if warranted by a player's versatility or impact. Good muggle get this part, but I'm going you need to know because you fellas like to lump. So we've got to be clear on the details. I'm being very clear on the details. Anyway, back to the quarter. Individual awards. These awards determined by total points. Players of the decade, highest points overall. Our highest overall points. Best back of the decade, highest points amongst backs. Best forwards of the decade, highest points amongst forwards. Other awards, got match manager of the decade, referee of the decade, touch judge of the decade, manager of the decade, Wahine Tāne, and coach of the decade, Wahine Tāne.
That goes into
Selection
here.
criteria.
Input.
Commitment and dedication.
That
Communication and leadership.
goes into here.
Aptitude and organisation. Support,
Let's see.
attitude, results.
Audio. Perfect.
Results and performance and championship.
Right there.
Our panelists for these awards will be chosen by the panel of 5. Uncle Ngāpari Nui, our chairperson, Ngāhina Kepa, tournament coordinator, Alana Presley, the mouth of the South tournament administrator, Nancy Lee Kātini, and Tāne Manukonga, our favourite referee. These panelists were selected given their involvement at each tournament, at each of the tournaments, the roles they have each held with each tournament, and their understanding of who has participated and supported the kaupapa over 10 years. Otherwise, my final beautifully, I speak Māori every day at kura, and reading this Pākehā is a bit different for me, but I can. Okay, now we're going to look into ngā whakamaharatanga o te wā. To all our mati that have passed on. Tēnā tātou.
The buzz is gone. Do you need more voice?
Tani o te iwi nei E kore e ware Koe te una Nā te atua Koihu te kai whakauna e au katoa Ko te atua te pirina Koia te kaihana Koihu ato Oh my te ora Kai kina kurina Ya whakamai miti Kwa tupera O kure o ki te rani Aleluia Gloria Honore ki toino atapu Toino atapu
E kura tangi hia, he mai aroha.
Kei taunga mate o te wā, haere atu rā. Wai ho mai muri nei, nā tātou, mātou, e noho moke, e noho pōhara kia rātou kua hunga. Te rātou te hunga kua mene atu ki te pō. E kia ana te kōrero ko te pō, te kaihari o te rā. Ko te mate, te kaihari o te oranga. Rātou te unga mate kia rātou, a tātou ngā kanuhi ora kia tātou, a tēnei tātou. Tēnā tātou katoa. But Raw seen some of those faces, whānau mā, some of those faces that over the 10 years were prominent in this tournament. And it was e mihi ana ki ngā kai whakarite to those that did the right thing by leaving that space for those. Tēnā koutou. So dinner flyers for the night. Got a video coming up e hoa ma. Ka pai, tēnā tātou katoa. So on my list, we have our first break, where entree will be served. So what I'll do is I'll taki karakia for te kai, and then we'll take a break. I runga I tērā. Munga noa hi ho te hiri wā me te kaura I te kurutanga o tāku rau kura e. Kai, tēnā tātou.
I wana tū ai te wakataitai riki, a Taranaki Wānui Māori Rugby League, neke atu I te onorau tāngata I ka ui atu ki te papatūnga tākoro o Clifton I Tikorangi, a I takai o te Māori o te Pōro Riki ki te iwi o ngā timutunga o Taranaki, anei te pūrongo. I wiuarere tia te reo pōiri o te Pōro Riki ki ngā iwi o Taranaki.
Waimari e tātou ki te tū tēnei kaupapa I tēnei tau. I whakakoringia mātou I te rātou no te mate uru tā. Nā rauru te tikanga ki atu ki reira, engari. Waimari e tātou ki atu ai tēnei kaupapa I tēnei tau. I roto o ngā timutunga, I tono atu mātou ki a rātou, I te hia rātou ki te tū ki kōnei, e ni whakai rātou, tā rātou tono. Nā reira, waimari e katoa mātou.
Nā te oro nui o te mate ko uiori I tau te kaupapa nei, a I tēnei tau kua iki anō o te kaupapa. Ei tā ngā ina, ko te I motu aketanga o te kaupapa, ko te wakawanaungatanga me te onotai a ngā iwi.
It's amazing. It's amazing. It's the highlight of the calendar year for us, our rugby league enthusiasts of Taranaki. And especially being that it's Māori Rugby League, it just makes it that extra bit more special for us to be able to represent our whānau, our hapu, our iwi, and come together in the in this one space is really, really special. It's bigger than the game. Rugby League's just a vehicle for the whakawanaungatanga and the hononga amongst us as te iwi Māori o Taranaki Maunga.
Ei tā pitwa o te iwi o te Ātiawa, ka koa ngē ana aia I tana kitenga atu I te tū ono atu o ia tangata I raro I te āuru o Taranaki Maunga. A, e ai kia māreikura, ko te matu o te kaupapa ki aia, ko te ononga tūpuna, ononga tāngata, a ononga āiwi oki.
I tēnei tau, ko te mihi atu ki a rātou mā, ngā tamataikaha e hoki mai ki tō tātou nei maunga, ki te tākoro I tēnei kēmu te whutupōro. Ko te tū hono tanga o ia I a tāngata no tērā iwi e hoki mai rā ki a tātou nei o Te Atiawa ki te tākoro ki tēnei o ngā papaatia nei o ngā timutima.
Hikaka ana te ngākau, aha koa he ua, ko te mea nui he hononga tūpuna, hononga tāngata, hononga iwi, tērā te mea nui.
Ko te kupua ngā ina e aro nui atu ana ia ki te āpōpō te kaupapa maroto i te wakareanga e tupu mai ana.
Well, probably the biggest thing for me is the tamariki. Is seeing the tamariki, you know, I seen a video of one of the young tamariki out there with our wahine yesterday. She was about 5-6 years old doing the haka with her aunties and that, you know, and that to me that's what it's about, that next generation, seeing these things, being part of it, so that they come through when they get older and continue this kaupapa into the future.
So next year our local tournament will be handed over to Ngāti Ngārauru, and they will get the opportunity to host down in their iwi next year in 2024. So we're looking forward to that trip down to Ngārauru next year, and yeah, we look forward to seeing all of our whānau there once again and all of our iwi teams.
Ko te ātiawa ngā toa wakai uaka o te wakataitai, ko te iwi o ngā timutunga, i toa i wakamuri, ai te rātau ai te tua witu tai atu ki te waru o ngā rā o Oketopa, tū ai te wakataitai ki roto i te riu o ngā rauru ki tai. Aroha Boroton Pue, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.
Te kau o taku mate, te mutunga mai o te atawa, koia i ngā waka toa, mene mai te tirohanga atu, te tau o taku mate, te tainga mai, ihi ko te whatu manawa, wahine toa, wahine kurotu, Heori te koe, kia hine kuko. E hotu nei taku mana wai, whakapau taku hana te whakawe. Koa tēnā ki tō taha, wahine atawa, i ara.
Ka tui te whakataitai rangata iri ki Māori I Rotorua, neke atu te wā te kaungāti mātou I atu te whanamana āmotu. Ko te tūmatai tamatāni o Taranaki Mānui e wakatano I ana I a Taranaki Mānui. Ko ngā ina kepa te kaiwaka atu riki o Taranaki Mānui. Hei tā kepa, e no ngā riri ana ki te kōpuringa o ngā rangata I Rotorua I te maunga.
Special when collective of rangatahi from around our maunga, not only like they don't only live here but live all around the Miki, they come home to represent their maunga, their wakapapa. It's unique. It's a unique opportunity for our rangatahi to go into a space where they get to celebrate who they are and where they're from. So having our maunga with us is a really important part of it. We make sure that we acknowledge our kikona maunga before we head away on our hiding.
It's good, eh? It brings back all the connections, culture, just all that brotherhood from when we were little kids.
E ai kia whamajames Peketopli, e aroa tuana te whakarata inua I te aroa. A tani ana rātima e rongo ana I te a mai, engari, warite kia tākoro.
Kia haere ki te whakangātu ki o Māori, ngā tīma Māori, Tāwai, o Aturohi, o Aotearoa. I'm just feeling a bit nervous, like always, but yeah.
Ei tā kepa, he ari kua ana te kite I ngā kai tākoro kua oki mai ki te kainga atui a I Tareiria.
Bringing that experience home amongst their mates is really, really important, so that everyone can grow and develop as players and as young men. So it's been really, really awesome. They only flew in this morning, so It's their first training all together, first time they've all caught up in a while.
Ko ka uke paraua koronganui mākia akapita, pa uki mai ki Aotearoa, ki te wāngai i ngā pukinga, me ngā tūmai wea kōriki ki o raua pia.
To still follow my dreams and hopefully play NRL and carry on my league career.
Probably just to open some pathways for the other boys that don't really get much.
Ko ngā wawata akepa, kia ua kina te tatau o te auriki, no tana rangata I katoa, kia angi tūwai rātau ki tēnei ākina. Phoenix Manly Green, te reo o te uru.
Taranaki off 1, 2, 3, Taranaki!
What inspired you to bring together the tribes of Taranaki under one banner for Māori Rugby League?
I've been away. I've been away down in Wellington, coaching the Wellington side and trying to get the role of coaching for the Kiwi team. That went all right. I was very, very, I guess, very, very proud of that time I was spent down in Wellington. We were getting crowds of thousands at the football park, and yeah, it was awesome. But I came home. I wanted to come home, and then I started to go and watch the boys playing, watching the games being played, and I got a bit brassed off, to be honest with you, seeing a lot of anger and people, players, men, young men, fighting and biting. And the behaviour on the sideline also wasn't too good as well. So I thought I could help it, stop it some way. And so I set out to try and get the players and the clubs to realise that nobody was actually coming and watching the players play as people who are not part of the game. But the key thing with running a sports organisation or a competition or team, you're supposed to enjoy yourself. You're supposed to go and play and really enjoy the opportunity to play rugby league against opposition. And I got really brassed off with the teams, and I went around to the clubs. I went to a few meetings after their training, and they'd be in there sort of getting ready to go back home. And I said, I've come down here to watch you and see how you go. But I'm really, really worried about your behaviour, because no one wants to watch you play. And I said, I really want people to watch you play and enjoy what they see. So I've decided that I'd start refereeing. And I said, I've never refereed before. I've been abused by referees a lot, and I've abused them too. So I decided one way was just getting in their faces and blowing your whistle and trying to bring them back to realise that they were playing a sport. A lot of them, probably the majority of the various clubs, had players that were their cousins, and so I went around and I said, look, you're playing your cousins, you're playing your family. I said, and here you are punching each other out and getting sent off and all that sort of thing.
Well, we think that was funny for us, for the game's sake. It was actually, we had to do something about it. So I told the people that were working with me that I was going to do that. And then I was going to start to work on getting the best players to focus on playing the tournaments. But the problem had been that our behaviour was so bad that we weren't invited to the tournaments because of the behaviour of some of our players. So I felt I had to stop them, but also try and get back into the tournaments. And so I needed to do it on a tikanga focus, and that was helped by people that actually wanted the same thing as me, because I told it a lot of the older guys. So Mahu Waru became my kaumātua, and we talked about how we could get back into the tournament, because we had been booted out, to be honest with you. So we needed to use a Māori perspective about going back and saying sorry, and then working our way back into being in the first grade, because we came back and we were playing second in the second grade, and I thought we had some better players than that we could have got. So to work through that, and my views of actually bringing it together was really helped by a lot of other people who were feeling the same way, and looking at Social Sausage and other people, Benji McAllister, yeah, and they were the guys that were working with me and talking to the guys and getting them to understand that they've got to do something that they want to enjoy. I don't get punched in the nose every weekend and your hair pulled and whatever. There was one guy from Inglewood that he was a prop and I was a hooker, so I couldn't really move too much around. And the first thing that he did to me was he turned his head this way and went, and I went, I said, don't do that. I said, I don't really want to fight with you, but, that's not good. You're giving me a big huff of your ha, So anyway, we got through there. But then the fact that we had been at one of the rugby league tournaments that one of the teams went to, they played up, and I think they walked onto the field and they just stood there because they were passed off with the referee, and they decided that they weren't going to play, so they just stood on the football field. So in doing that, it stuffed up the tournament. So they told us not to come back. So so I said, well, we've got to get back to the tournament. We've got to get back. So what I did is I got a women's team, and we went down to Levin. We went up to Auckland, and we played a couple of games with different teams that we were playing. But the girls had a great time. We had a great time. Probably one of the best things that I've done in the game was this was 10 years ago. Quite a way, and the women weren't actually get stuck into rugby league like they are today, and I think that's outstanding what we're seeing now, especially the opportunities they're getting playing in our RAL. So there was all these things, but the one of the key things was Maho and having the getting the kaupapa right and making sure that we weren't getting out of bounds. And then it took about 3 years. I always thought that it takes 3 years to get a really good team. And then we started getting boys coming back from Australia, from Auckland, Wellington, all over the place. I mean, we were ending up with a really, really good team. And we had a first team and a second team, and we didn't have many of the junior sides that we do now. And I'd just like to acknowledge to all the parents that have taken their kids to games and standing in the rain and doing their best for them. But this, so first of all, we had to get through and I guess bend over and say sorry. But it wasn't the guys that I had playing with them. It was guys that were prepared to listen and understand, and the fighting and all that sort of. I said to them, if you fight, you're out. You're not going to play. I'm not going to let you play. And I ran around being the worst referee that Taranaki's ever seen, and but they actually got it, I mean, I got abuse from the side. One thing I really remember one time is this woman was yelling at me and abusing me. I mean, I can take abuse, but I thought, oh, how do I get her to shut up? Then I blew the whistle to stop the game, and then I went over near her, but farther enough away from her that she couldn't run on and slap my face. And I said, what are you doing here? I said, you got a lot to say, but what are you doing here? You're supposed to be under home detention, aren't you? And everybody, I said it really loudly, so everybody heard that, So I think that a lot of people heard that, and I think the abuse of the referees actually settled down. So it's all about making sure that they realise that the people who are playing are actually their cousins. That's how tight we are. We are. Hey, we got cousins down in Patea. We got. So Anyway, I just want to say one thing. Probably the highlight of my time with the rugby league boys playing with me was the fact that we went away to a tournament, and I think it was mentioned that we won the sprint. We won the sprint. That's because our best runner he could flat out run, and so I stood behind him, and they said, on your marks, get set, and I said go. and everybody took off. But our Taranaki one was a little bit ahead of everybody else because I kicked them up the arse sort of thing, you know.
I'll give you your award now, Emma.
No. They want to give me an award. No. But anyway, rugby league's been great for me. It's my life, our family, my mum, and all you people here. I admire what you've done for rugby league as well. So thank you very much.
Well,
I've just got kicked off here. Very hard, you know.
No way. But I'll hold on to you.
I'm not a speaker. Yeah. What do you want?
So right now we got a taonga. We got an award. It's called the Contribution Award. So Whaelana, let's see if you can hear her. Nah.
Oh, she's having a cup of tea.
Oh, she's if you want to know where to smoke, go find Auntie Lana. But we'll get you to go back to Amatua and then
okay.
Then we'll call
Yeah.
once Whaelana.
Anyway.
Tēnā koe. Omachi paki kia haui. Nau koe papa. Let's play some sounds or something. Once Whaelana comes in, we'll get Wayne to come up, Ngahina to come up and have koro. So y'all can hear it. Omate paki kia Lana Presley. You're all right. No, you're all right. Sorry. So we have a contribution award. So e te rangatira e hau I tēnei te mihi mai o ha kia koe. Tonight we gather not only to celebrate sporting excellence, but to honour a man whose legacy is woven into the very fabric of rugby league in Aotearoa as we know it, and especially here in Taranaki. Matua Howie Tamati is more than a player, coach, or administrator. He is a visionary, a leader, a unifier. He rangatira. It is with his foresight and unwavering commitment that gave birth to Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League as we know it today. Through his vision, our iwi hapu were brought together under one banner, proudly representing our rohe on the national stage. Without his leadership, we may not be standing here as one united whānau. From the fields of Waitara to the world stage, Wembley Stadium even, Howie has worn many hats as a Kiwi international, a respected coach, chairman of New Zealand Māori Rugby League, and later New Zealand Rugby League. His mana integrity has earned him admiration of his peers across the motu and beyond. But what truly sets Howie apart is his heart. He continues to give back to the game that gave so much to him, mentoring, guiding, uplifting others. His dedication to the people, his sport and his maunga is unwavering. Tonight, on behalf of Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League, we are honoured to present this contribution award to you, Matua Howie, in recognition of the decades of hard work, your tireless dedication, and your enduring commitment to the game, your people, and your legacy. E kore mātai wari iau mahi nui, tēnā koe te rangatira, tēnā koe mo tō waroha, tō kaha, me tō wairua Māori. Ngā mihi nui kia koe, homai te paki, Papa Howie Tamati. You're giving them the award. You know which one? Contribution. Have you got his name in? Tuku roema, e peki ngā paupau. E ki roto Taranaki, ki reira, taki ho tuku roe matae, tuku roe matae. Mai atu e te iwi e ngara we atou iwi. O te ame we ui e tia kaha tia koutoru. Peni o te ngaro e ake tonu atu au e tau kiri e. Au e tau kiri. Au e tau kiri e. Tu mai taranaki. Tu mai taranaki e. E tike tike mai rā tātou. Roto i te kaua tapu hapai ngā tō mana toro tika ki arani e. Toro tika. Toro tika ki arani e. Mana, mana, mana. Mana. We're going to do JD's 1, 2. JD's 1, 2. Oh, okay. But he's not here, but he's not here. Oh boy, next up, we're going to acknowledge the match managers. We've got a match managers award. Oh, no. Oh, no. Have we jumped?
Yeah, we're right.
All right. And our match manager of the decade is Sonia Wiriana.
Yeah, Sonia!
I just want to acknowledge the importance of our match managers. They hold the game, the integrity of the game. If it's not for them, we won't know when the game will finish. Keep all the riff-raff on the sideline, because there's some riff-raff. Howie was just talking about it. So mihi nui ana, kia koe Sonia Wiriana. No way. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm Yep, you're done. Oh, I tēnā tātou, I just lost where I was on my time sheet. We'll just have a bit of a waiata and enjoy your time, have a couple of drinks, and I'll come back. Tēnā tātou.
Kua tipi wenua atu I Tawiti Nui I Tawiti Roa, ngā karapūri ki e māngai ana I te raukura o Taranaki Maunga. Ko ngā waiotanga me Taranaki Wānui tērā, e wero ia I ngā karapu urinoa I Aotearoa, ki te wakataetai āmotu riki Māori 2023 ki Wakatāne. Kua mana auake te wairua o te unga tamariki. Kua ku atu e matakano I te karapu au o ngā waiotanga. O tinua I te karapu tuakana a Taranaki Wānui.
Feels amazing. Feels amazing. Excited. I'm really excited. Ready to get out there. Ready to get some tries. Have some fun. Feels good because I love playing rugby league.
Ko ngā wea konui o Ezra Bennett, ki te wikitoria I te tono mana ka tū waka I te maunga I o nauri o te karapu.
So everyone's proud of us?
Ko te tono mana tuata I tēnei mo Andre Rickard me tōna karapu o ngā waiotanga. Ko tana ia nui, kia po o kereru te wānau I aia.
Be proud of myself and do good. Because it always feels good to win.
Ei Tātiri Diamond, kua mataura ai o ngā wawata ki roto I ngā tamariki o te karapu o ngā waiotanga.
To see it flourish, just to see it flourish and give people opportunities, not just in kapahaka, but all aspects of life, I suppose. But just being able to provide them opportunities to excel at a higher level than just playing locally. And just exposing them to a bigger world, especially for our kids.
Ko ngā manoko nui o Tere Diamond. Kia pua wai mai ngā mātāpono o ngā karapu e rua ei ua nui mo ngā uri o Taranaki. Phoenix Men Green, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.
Aneira, te a koe ki toku whaia, teu kai po e whakarongo.
I oki atu te raukura a kahu kepa ki tōna iwi ki te wānga I ōna pukenga ki te uki Waimuri.
The purpose was to show the younger boys how to set some goals for the future and set some goals outside of footy and just show them that it's not all about rugby league. It's, you always need a plan B, so we're working around that with them.
Ko Stars Rugby League Academy tete I kaupapa I Taranaki. E wakatupu ana I te pito mata o te unga rangatai, e tōmina ana ki ngā mai o te auriki. I oki a kepa ki te arai, I te unga rangatai.
Probably been a leader of myself and showing the way for younger kids so they find their passion for the game and going on to training hard, being consistent, being a leader, but also being humble.
I tā mokotia a kepa I tāna to'u kia no o ki te kapa NRL o ngā One New Zealand Warriors. Ei tāna, e maringa nui ana te wakakano I ia koro Taranaki.
It's a big honour. I'm glad to be from Taranaki. There's not much NRL players that come out of Taranaki, only about 5, so pretty grateful to be representing Taranaki and being Māori in general.
Ko ngā koutu wera e oki atu ana ki te manaki I te unga, e ia kai ana.
There's a lot of young boys that look up to players like us growing up, especially me when I was younger. So, just to support those younger boys and push them through those hard times and pathways. Yeah, just to try and encourage them for us to inspire them where they need to get to.
Koa ko te ri ki te kaupapa o Stars Rugby League Academy. Kei te puku o tēnei kaupapa e a tawaka tupu I te tamaiti, kia tū pakari ei raukura mo tōna iwi, mo ngā reanga e ke mai ana. Aroha Broughton Pue, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.
Rangi nui ki a papa tua nuku ka tika me whangai I ene kupu ki ngā uri whakatuku I says me he me te whakai ki mai ai Ma tene ki a huatanga ka tino pakari ai I wista wina so whai mai Yo reira me te whakai ki mai ai Whakarongo mai Whakarongo mai Whakarongo mai Papa,
Ka tira tēnā tātou. Carry on as you are. Next up, we have our second contribution award for the night. Apologies earlier. I've sorted out where I am on the lineup, and we're good to go now, whānau. So just a quick pānui for those receiving awards. We've got this nice red carpet laid out for you, whānau, so please use it. We've got a couple of people taking a shortcut, and then once you receive your award, remain up, and we'll take a photo of you and the presenter. Tēnā tātou. So we move on to the second contribution award for the night. John Devonshire, also known as JD. Unfortunately, he is unable to make it tonight due to road closures in Awakino. He is stuck in Waikato. But I'd like to call up Uncle Ngāpari, our chairman. Tēnā koe, he te papa. Oh. Tonight, we honour a man whose legacy in rugby league stretches across the rohe, generations and hearts. It is with immense pride that we present this contribution award to John Devonshire, JD, a true pou of our game. John began his journey with the Bell Block Marist Dragons Rugby League Club, where he served faithfully for many years, helping to build a strong foundation for the sport in Taranaki. His leadership, dedication extended into his time with Taranaki Rugby League, where he became a central figure in the growth and sustainability of our game in Aotearoa. Later, JD moved to Kirikiriroa, taking up a role with Waikato Rugby League, continuing his mission to uplift communities through rugby league in both Taranaki and Waikato. He has been a key pou, a pillar, a strength, wisdom, and aroha. But JD's influence reaches far beyond provincial borders. As a proud Tani Wharau man, and his deep passion for Māori Rugby League has shaped the national landscape. Under his leadership as the chair of Aotearoa New Zealand Māori Rugby League, we've seen extraordinary growth, more tournaments, more players, and more importantly, a deeper culture connection for all who participate. His vision has brought whānau together, strengthened identity, and created pathways for our tamariki and rangatahi. JD is known not just for what he does, but for who he is, charismatic, generous, larger than life. He is respected across the code, admired for his big heart, and cherished for his unwavering commitment to our people. On behalf of Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League, we honour you, JD. We thank you for your sacrifice, your service, your aroha. You may live elsewhere now, but to us, you are still one of ours. Ngā mihi nui ki a koe e te rangatira. We have a video.
Kia ora whānau. Hey, thanks very much for this acknowledgement. I hope you're enjoying your night. What a fantastic opportunity to come together as Taranaki Whānui and celebrate 10-year anniversary of the tournament. Also, what a fantastic initiative to acknowledge a team of the decade and a player of the decade. Good luck to all those in the room tonight. And hey, it takes a collective effort and around the maunga, and to all the hapu and iwi, well done. My time in Taranaki means a lot to me. It's where I got my foundations for my career. And I must acknowledge people like Lindsay McLeod. Rihani McLeod was a great mentor of mine from Parihaka. Jack Nucky, of course, legend himself, Jack Nucky, and also Terry Tamati. Terry Tamati being a close friend and a huge mentor around the football side of things. I really appreciate this acknowledgement, this initiative. I hope your night goes well. Taranaki always been referred to as the people, as the salt of the earth. So to all the hapu and iwi, well done on your achievements. It's built up of many whānau from around the maunga. I think of Ngāpare, Nui down there in Pātia, and you know, the James family and everyone from around the coast, and of course the late Tommy McCulloch and people like that from New Plymouth, and of course there's a host of people out at Waitara and also in Bellbrook. So well done, enjoy your night, thanks very much, and take care.
I'd like to call on Ngāhina Kepa to receive the award on behalf of JD.
Kia ora tātou. Yeah, just a few words on behalf of Uncle JD. He really wishes he could be here. Obviously, with the slips that happened up in Awakino, yeah, he was a bit gutted he couldn't be here. They were on their way tonight. They'd booked some accommodation and whatnot. So he's very fond of Taranaki. That's where it all started for him. And for those that have been to our New Zealand Māori Rugby League tournaments, you know how much mahi goes into those with hundreds of teams from all across the motu. And he's the pou that makes that all happen. So just want to acknowledge Taranaki Whānui for acknowledging him and his team for the mahi that they do. So kia ora tātou.
Right, let's proceed. Next up, our next lot of awards are for our referees and our touch judges. As we all know, if it wasn't for if the actual wasn't for these fellas, we wouldn't be able to play our game. So I know we all stabbed the referees in the back from the sidelines, or as Howie was talking about hurling abuse, but they are actually the heartbeat of our game. If there's no referees, there's no games, there's no results, there's no championships, there's no benders, any of that. So homai te piki paki kia tātou kai wawao. Our first award is for our touch judge of the decade. Let's give a round of applause to Tama Pakinga. Hoki mai Uncle Ngāpari, aroha mai. Yeah, oh, take a photo, take a photo.
Hello. Kia ora everyone. A bit shy actually. Now that I've come here and stood up in front of everyone, I felt good over there in the corner. Just like to say thank you, Tane, Nahina, and all the administration. Thanks for getting this award. Yes, quite. All I can say from my side, I'll just keep it simple. I'm a pretty simple guy anyway. I just like to say, I suppose to me, I just like basically because I'm involved in touch rugby as well. A couple of years ago, I got a 10-year service for touch rugby doing opens. So this year, I'm going back to the opens for touch, secondary schools, masters and opens. This will be my 13th open nationals I'll be doing this year. So I suppose as a referee, you don't referee for the money. You're definitely not going to get rich. I suppose one way I can put it simply is I suppose it's got to have passion for the game, like being ex-players going back to the game. Like, for example, you got priests, you got politicians. But like, say, like, I suppose we've been servants. Like you got priests. I'm as a referee, you're being a servant to the game. So that's how I can judge myself. I know I'm not gonna be a millionaire, but my passion for the game has been a servant to touch, a servant to rugby league. And hopefully with this acknowledgement, I'm so humbled and blessed from all our referees and touchies that have performed through the years. An acknowledgement for this 10 years. It's quite this is a special tonga. I'm originally an Auckland Rugby League referee, so I lived in Auckland for 50 years. I've just been down here for the last 8 years. So 9 years actually. So I'm blessed and grateful for all the information all the players have shared with me through the years as well. So as I said, I'm still learning the game, and I'm being a servant to the game. That's going to be what I. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Step. Tēnā koe tama. Yeah, yes, you are a servant to the game. A great rangatira that once said that to be Māori is to volunteer, and that's our referees. So tēnā koutou. Next up, our referee of the decade. Give a big round of applause to Tane Manukonga.
O tēnā tātou. I'll keep it simpler than Tama. I just want to dedicate this to all the families, all your families that are at home right now. They're your backbone, they're my backbone. Big mihi to my mum and to my wife and my whānau that support me, that enable me to do this, and a big support whānau as well. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, kia ora mai tātou.
Tēnā koe tāne. So we're going to have another little break there, whānau. So enjoy each other's company. Keep those korokoros māku wet. And get the drink flowing. Tēnā tātou.
wharaurua, e tohu whakahari kwa I te iwi. Hei whakanui.
Kua uki mai a Danica Talitonu ki te tākoro Motonaiwi ki te Wakataitai Riki o Taranaki Wānui.
Feels good, like coming back home from just such a big season back in Australia, coming home to represent my iwi and just getting amongst the girls, sharing my knowledge and skills with them as well. So it's pretty good.
Ko tale tonu tētai o ngā kaitākoro ki te wakataitai I ngā rā mo ngā waine, kei roto ia I te kapa o ngā Panthers. E oi, ko tana aronga I tēnei rā, ko te āpa I te mana o tō Naiwi, ki runga I te wira I rā o tūnei.
I see so much potential in our small area. So if just anyone gets that opportunity, just take it.
It's pretty special. We were actually having a bit of a kōrero this morning about some of the memories of that first tournament and the kind of the impact it had on a lot of people of the time. So to be back here 10 years later with double the amount of teams and more, it's pretty special.
Kua riro mā Taranaki iwi te wakataitai e manaki I tēnei tau. E ai ki anga I nā kepa kaupapa aere, e rawe te kite I ngā reanga katoa te kaupapa e āpai ake.
That's one of the beautiful things too, is it's an opportunity for whānau to come home. So you see the likes of Wela Hauraki and Rangi Chase and that come back to represent the iwi, their tupuna. And that just shows how uniquely special it is. Because, as you know, for whānau that don't necessarily live at home, just that one opportunity to come home to be with their families is really, really important.
It means a lot. I'm representing my whānau, the Haurakis. So it's a special day for me to honour them and to show them how much they mean to me. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have had the career I had.
E kai tākoro I ngā rau o mua a Rangi Chase mo ngā taika me ngā tarakuna. E tino ari kua ana ia ki te tākoro Motonaiwi o te Ātiawa. E tāna e rereke te wairua o tēnei wakataitai ki te NRL.
I wouldn't say huge, but there's a difference because you're playing for your people, eh? So it means there's a lot more meaning behind it. NRL is just you're providing for your family, you're playing, that's your job. But this is, you see people out here doing it because they want to. It goes deeper than that.
When you're playing NRL, it's a lot more physical and faster. The game's a lot more faster. But then when you come here and play in the Māoris, it's everyone puts their whole heart and sleeve into the game and playing for their family and their iwi. So it's a bit of both, really.
Ai maria ana te kapa o te Ātiawa ko Wela Auraki o ki tētahi kai tākaro mo ngā Eels ki te wakataitai NRL oki.
There's plenty of talent here. Me and a few other boys that I've played NRL with, we play in this comp and we always see plenty of opportunities for players to go over to Aussie and it just shows today that all our games have been quality and fast. So there's always plenty of good talent out there on these sort of tournaments.
When we first started, we only had 8 tāne teams, and the aspiration was to always grow that, with wahine and our kaumātua and our rangatahi, and we've done that. We had our rangatahi start the tournament last night with 4 teams.
There's always potential, and tournaments like this is an opportunity for our rangatahi, and then hopefully some of them get picked up and have a sort of career like me and Wela or even better. Kevi Locke's here too, so hopefully, there's always talent, especially in Taranaki. Especially us being Māori, we produce a lot of talent all the time.
Just the culture, coming back home, because back in Aussie I didn't really get that culture. So coming back home to feel the culture between everyone is just so good.
E ai ki ngā kai tākoro riki e nui te pitomata o te unga rangatai ki roto I a Taranaki. Ko e nei momo kaupapa te kōwiringa tika kia kite ai ko ngā kapa I ngā rau I a rātau. E tākoro ana ki runga I te wira o te kāinga. Phoenix Manly Green, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.
Tātou ake Wako hei me Ki Iahi kina Kua wai hotia Eo Tango tupuna e kore Me pepete noho kotahi kaka me noho kotahi matera tata kapakarino reira whakarongo ki te ragamuffin iwi style Whakamatai mōre Whakarongo moi Kinga hua O te karere nei Tangatahi mōre Whakarongo moi Kinga hua O te karere nei No reira whakarongo ki te ragamuffin iwi Sayanai Ragamuffin Ragamuffin Iwi silent Ke te rori hanu kia hune Wa takapukea Kua tata he mō Ono wiki taku aku O te roe we te tau Mama te aroha E te rongo e wi a koe karangana Kia kahara, kurunga tēnā Karawhiua e makiau Ina te mihi I tō mori mori No oku I tō kopu Kia kahara, kurunga tēnā Karawhiua e makiau Ina te mihi I tō mori mori No oku I tō kopu Vai a JB, vai a papa Kia mohi o no koe kua onge onge Mama ue E whia Albi June Me tō unu Kia rongo anō koe I te aroha Mama ue E hine ma te aroha Tēnei au te antu E tā mama te aroha Tēnā chaki nā te hapu O te rau e te tau Mama te aroha Kei te rongo I a koe karangana Kia kahara, kurunga tēnā Karawhiua e makiau Ina te mihi I tō mori mori No oku I tō kopu Kia kahara, kurunga tēnā Karawhiua e makiau Ina te mihi I tō mori mori No oku I tō kopu Vai a JB, vai a papa Kia mohi o no koe kua onge onge Mama ue E whia Albi June Me tō unu Kia rongo anō koe I te aroha Mama ue Nei mata te ngangana Koe rā tōku tamotanga Taku kauwhu I tika Aoki noa ki te kainga Onu I ki te hapu Ka whakamia whakamana watia ka whakamia mama ka whakamana watia
Apai, tēnā tātou. Let's carry on with the night. Hope you're enjoying your kai. There's plenty of kai. I see a couple of people taking the ones from the spare seats. Ka pai koutou. The lamb and the chicken was good, eh, whānau? So now we're looking at the celebration of 10 years of memories. And we've got some reflections of the past 10 years, looking back on all our amazing tournaments. Starting right back 10 years ago in Taranaki Tūturu Land and Rahotu Domain. Oh, come on. Pick it up everywhere. So we're looking at all our rohe, all our iwi that have participated over the years.
Take the slate and wipe it clean. me. Set all the parts adrift upon the sea. With the incoming tide, we breathe again. Let all the color ignite tonight. Secrets that once were counted, back to the start. I'm burning FNG, my beating heart. Into the sky we start to live again. Let all the color ignite tonight. Let all the colors ignite tonight. Yeah. Let all the colors ignite tonight, tonight. Let all the colors ignite tonight. Yeah. 'Cause while we have the days are gray, you wanna chase the miles away. New life to rise. Let all the colors ignite tonight.
Yeah, o mai te paki ki a tātou tīma. Just as we were going through, I just want to acknowledge all those ringarehe, all those people in the background making sure that they can field a team every year. I know it's stressful, and you got you think you got a player in your group chat, but he's actually in another 3 other group chats. Hey, Shan. And then, you think someone's turning up to training on Wednesday and you see them on the Instagram story and another rohe. But that is what it is. That's whakapapa e whānau. That's whakapapa. We get a bit tongue about it, but it is what it is. Tēnā tātou. It's our slide, man. 2015 in Rahotu. There's our tournament team in Rahotu. Stevie Ray, Arepa, Renee, Ren, Paul Tuta, Dills Hall, Mike Kahui, Kane Newman, Cody Martin, Ingi, Tyson Hori, Rawiri. 2016, Ngāti Tama, in that famous place of Ngāti Tama, Bell Block. Paul Tuta, Ray Luke, Emmy, Bronx Lewis, and Ingi. It's a bit of a taste into to who's in our team of the decade, whānau. 2017, Manaia, Ngārua Hine, Titoko Wari Country. It's our team of the decade. Aaron, Drury, Levi, Oti, Tute Whenua, Landers, Manaia, Marcus, Liam Parker, Taumutu, Jake, Sammy Bennett, Cody Martin, Shea Kahui, Te Koroua, Alfred Tautai, Abe Hyder, Te Koroua, Hayden Keski. 2018, Te Korangi, Te Atiawa, o Tarawa Land, Rick McKenna, Jason Tuta, Terrell, Kiani, Rauri, Dylan Hall, Ngāti Tama, Caleb Ritai, Tamu, Liam, Bernard, Taumutu, Michael, Cruzy Rana, Stevie Ray, Johnny Fido, Cody Martin, Regan Thompson. 2019, Te Hāwera, Ngāti Ruanui. Kia ora. Rico, Ben, Kiani, Josh, Brendan White, Caleb Rito, Ray Luke. Oh, here's another name that keeps popping up. Bronx Lewis, Liam Parker, another name that keeps popping up. Aston, Timmy, Kawana Cruzy, Anno, Indiha, Arepa, Jere Cassidy, Callum Robinson. Our Wahine tournament team, Freedom, Alana, Karen, Shaniqua, Lynn, Alicia, Tina, Tashel, Kaya Rose, Jamie, Ngahuia, Bria, Aroha, Marika, Kat, Johnny Lee, Nikita. 2020. Ka pai, tēnā tātou. So that was the first, that takes us to the first 5 years of these tournaments. I just want to have a quick reflection going back over those years, announcing some of the winners. So down in Rahotu, we had Ngāti Tama, were our winners that year of our premiership. They were also the winners in the haka. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Come on, funny. It was funny. It was funny. And then we went back to Bell Block. Ngāti Tama hosted, Te Atiawa won their first one then. It was a one-day tournament. And then we went down to Manaia, to Ngāriwa Hinerangi. We had our original ringers, Ngāti Maru, who took out the tournament that year. And then we moved on to Tikorangi. Again, Ngāti Tama took that one out again in 2018. Then we made our way down to Te Hāwara, Ngāti Ruanui, where Ruahine gained their first win over there. Who's that? And then we went to Pukeariki. Pukeariki hosted a Ngāmotu at Tukapa, and then Ngāti Tama grabbed their third one there. So that was an awesome reflection of those years. And then you notice as we went from not many photos to a video at the end, and it just captures how important it is for our Waha Creative, our Toroa Media, and Te Korimako, their contributions to our kaupapa. Tēnā tātou e te whānau. So our tournament team in 2020, Tyson, Kayan, Royden, Michael, Paul Mari, Eli, Landers, Reggie, Jamari, Callum, Sammy Bennett, Timmy Rainsfield, Chris Jollins, Denzel, Tuterangi Anderson, Liam Parker, Sione Sifa. So we're starting to see a few names popping up over the years. Take a little bit of a mental note there, whānau. If you were listening in the criteria, probably not, but yeah. And our wahine team in Ngāmotu 2020, Kaya Rose, Alana, Karen, Freedom Edmonds, Kayla, Teata, Lynn, Natty, Season, Aroha, Victoria, Kuraraurangi, Tiffany, Crystal Deegan, Rihanna, Georgia, Miriama. COVID. Share the Kazi COVID. Good tournament, that one. 2022, back to Tikorangi, Ngāti Mutunga, and their Tokomaru connections. If we look at our tournament team from 2022 in Tikorangi, you've got Caleb, Josh, Quinn, Christian, Ben, Landers, some more names cropping up again, Clayton, Taumutsu, Brendan Hikaka, James, Tiemi, Walahauraki, Cruz Rana, Willie Iriwata, Sione Sifa, Rikiana Terangi, Isaac Nipkins, Lucas Hall. Then popping over to our wahine team, Kaya, Rocky, Ruby, Devon, Morgan, Nina, Tangira, Lynn Smith, Harata Butler, Alia, Tiana, Jamie, Aroha Nuku, Tiana Davidson, Cassio, Alicia, Rihanna, Victoria, and Freedom. Oh, we moved on to our points table. We're just going to take a kai break there, whānau. Oh, no, Aroha mai. We've got our points table, so the names are going to come across with their with how many points they got, and so we'll just watch our names pop up. Pauli Tudo with 2. Arepa with 2. Michael McDonald 2.5. Remember the criteria, whānau. NRL experience doesn't give you points. Oi! Cody Martin. Timmy Rainsfield. Ruzi Resler. Liam Parker. Oh! Omaite Paki Paki. Moving over to our wahine points table. Oh, people have been paying attention. People have been paying attention. Good to see, whānau. Can see what type of students you would have been in the classroom growing up, whānau. Not in class. Aroha, omaite paki paki e wama. So that's going to be the last time you're going to see the points table, whānau. So it's going to go undercover there. 2023, Wairoa Iti Ngā Rauru. Kitahi. Parikaya and his whānau down there, holding that team together. Matua Tuama, koutou koto whānau. Was our tournament team in Wairoiti 2023. Tyson Young, Benny, Fati, Sam, Kyson, Landers, Caleb, Puawai, Brendan, Timmy, Manu, Wala Huraki, JJ Pokai, Zach, Cruzy Rana, Sammy Bennett, Depote, and Wilson. Our Wahine team, Freedom, Alicia, Pearl, Lees, Holly Ray, Koronique, Lynn, Tangini, Tiffany, Jamie, Moana, Haley, Aroha, Cindy, Anastasius, Hana, Kiara, Lana. 2024. And Ngāti Maru, kohanga moa. I'm just back up here because it looks like he's coming. Anyway, so we've got Quinn, Tutu Whenua, Aaron, Fati, Rongonui, Yuan, Rangi, Chase, Walter, Brendan Hikaka, JJ Pokai, Marika Parker, AJ, Wala, Huraki Anō, Ingi Anō, Bronx Lewis Anō, Peter Marshall, Philly Taylor, Castino Drowner. Very ngāti, Tanaki Tutu to name that one. Okay, so we've got Koronique, Rocky, Ruby, Shakira, Hannah, Makarena, Tony, Tangini, Malia, Janelle, Haley, Kurarau Rangi Hudson, Haley, Stora, Logan, Rangimari, Sequita, Niwa, and Alia. O mai te paki whānau. 2025, this year, back in Rahotu, Taranaki Tutu, Taranga Waira.
love to start. I'm more of the trips to Florida, order the hors d'oeuvres, views of the water, straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy, man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror dancing so sleazy. I get a call like, where are you, Yeezy? And try to hit you with the old wacky, till I got flashed by the paparazzi.
Kapai e hoa ma, getting my steps in. Tani tournament team for our final year of the decade. We got Quinn, Castino, Rob, Kahu Kepa, Kevin Locke, whoa, Rangi Chase, Brendan Hikaka, DJ Hemmerpool, Ingi, Haurohon, Patioma, Wallahuraki, Cruz Rauner, Brent Landers, Linton Price, Nathan Rainsfield, Tyson, Quinton Needham. Umai te paki paki e wama. And our final Wahine tournament team for the decade, Iritana Hohaya, Alicia, Sunny, Kaya Rose, Sinead, Pearl, Tawny, Te Raukura, Season, Danica, Jacinta, Ariana, Lynn, Portia, Kura Raurangi, Shaquille, Kiara, Alexis. Tēnā tātou, e hoa mā. So I hope you were taking mental notes on all these teams. And remember who's coming up, so there's no disappointment when you see the team of the decade. We're going to take a 5-minute break there, Huama, and get your chat on, have your little kahui who's going to make the tournament of the team, and kia pai te po. Tēnā tātou. Tournament of the team. How's that English? Tournament of the team. Team of the tournament.
Kua iki nā te manuka e ngā waiine toa o ngā raru kītai ki tēnei wakataetai riki Māori o Taranaki Wānui. E tuataitanga mo te iwi. Wawakare uake te iwi o ngā raru kītahi ki te wakauru i tētai kapa waiine toa ki tēnei tono mana. Kua mataorake e nei waiine i tērā moe moea.
It's been a real experience and a real honour. So last year there was only three teams, three Wahine team. But after the tournament last year, we decided that this kaupapa was probably something that we want to grow, especially for Wahine. So we decided after it to put a team together for the very first time. It's the very first time in Ngāruuru history that we've had a women's rugby league team.
We can't kick it away. I don't care what you're trying to do, not in our half. Right, so we're going to make some substitutions now.
It's me. It's so awesome. Like, yes, it's our first time fielding a Wahine team for this competition, and to be a part of that it's indescribable, eh? And just doing it for our iwi, everyone back home, all our wānau back home, it's beautiful.
Ei tā tuananai anō, kua rongo i te pukumai o tēnei kapa, a e onore nui ki te arai e nei waine mo tēnei kaupapa.
It's been a bit of an emotional because you know I'm so proud of them. And so is Ifana, you know, so proud of them. And for me personally, seeing them for some of them get out of their comfort zone. They've never played this game before. So for them to get out there and give it a go, that's a win in itself. And big ups to them and congratulations to them all. And yeah, it was a very special occasion to be a part of.
Ei tā ki mai pene tito anō, kua wakatipu I tēnei kapa ki runga I te moemoea. Mā ngā tamariki mokapuna tēnei kaupapa kakawe a taua wā.
For me, it's just firstly getting them involved with us, all our babies. We've had our babies there from day one at all our trainings, and that's the start of it, so they can be a part of it. But hopefully they can see what we're doing and get a feel for it and carry it on for us, because it's an awesome kaupapa to be a part of. And you come to a day or 2 days like this, and it's beautiful. Everyone's here for waka whanaungatanga, here to play the game, but at the end of the day, we're all whānau, so yeah.
To drive it so we're not just relying on tournaments, we'd like it to be a season, so we like to start playing season. We do have a debrief after our tournament just to see where the girls at. From the kōrero that we've got, the girls would love to carry on. So after this tournament's done, we will get together and we'll look at setting a platform and that moving forward, because it's very important that we keep not only this kaupapa going, but actually growing the game even right across the country for our wāhine tour. So if they do have inspirations or aspirations to play in the women's NRL, then there's pathways that can help them do that.
Ko ngā mano konui o tuananai. Ki te wakatipu tonu I tēnei kaupapa ei uanui mo ngā waiine e wai ana I tēnei a kinakina. Phoenix Manly Green, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo, te take.
Tell her you love her, yeah. Tell her you never leave her. No, just tell her you want her. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey. Don't let the fire burn out your love. Hey. Just let her know she's the only one. Hey, yeah, yeah. Tell her you want her. Tell her you need her. Tell her you need her. So tell her you love her, yeah. Tell her you never leave her. Just tell her you want her. Tell her you want her. Tell her you need her. Tell her you need her. Tell her you love her. Tell her you never leave her. No, just tell her you want her. Tell her you want her. Tell her you need her. Just tell her you want her. Tell her you want her. Tell her you need her. Tell her you never leave her, yeah. Tell her you want her. Snug her, always squeeze her. Tell her you masses of the people moving, movement in a positive vibration, working and learning together. Aotearoa, New Zealand, land of the long white cloud, Maui. We the people love to sing and dance. Our homeward bound, it keeps our love alive. Aotearoa, keep rising. Give a little love, give a little love. 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 Right now, our hopes and our dreams are only solution for this world a better place. For our children and their children to live and be happy eternally. Land of the long white cloud, oh Maui. We the people love to sing and dance. Our homeward bound, it keeps our love alive. On down, oh, keep rising. Give a little love, give a little love. Oh yeah. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love, give a little love. Oh yes. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love. Children have to give it on your God. You have to rise up, open your eyes up. God, children are rising to the top. It's one thing I half it out. Never the house to shame, I come to nice and up the dance. One more time, I half it out. Never the house to shame, I never up will give up. No. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love, give a little love. All across the world. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love, give a little love. Give a little love, give a little love. Every day the deficit grows, and you spend more than you owe. Well, yeah. And Papa always said to me, yeah, keep a close eye on your authority. You say that you can. I was not the way. You say that you can. I was not the way. 'Cause all you do is push and pull until you can't stretch it any farther. Push, pull until you can't stretch it any farther. Every day taxes increase. Sauland, the rest is Sauli. And Papa said, son, it's the land of the free. As he broke his back, trying to make ends meet. Oh, 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 yeah. You say that you can. I was on the way. You say that you can. I was on the way. 'Cause all you do is push and pull until you can't stretch it any farther. Push forward until you can't stretch it any farther. You see that you
Kapai whānau, I hope you're enjoying the dessert. I heard it was mean. Moving into from now, we're gonna move into naming our what did I say? Tournament of the team, our team of the decade, our Wahine team of the decade. Just in a short moment, we're gonna call on our Kaitoi Haoro to make his way up. But we just hope you're enjoying your night, whānau. A bit rowdy over there in the middle there, Mr. Hikaka. This isn't the White Hart, bro. Anyway, so I just want to call kaula mai teina Haoro Hon. He's as we all know, his ringa toi. He's designed one of our taonga for the Taranaki Whānui Rugby League tournament, and he's also designed our jerseys. Homai te piki piki paki paki kia Haoro Hon o Ngāti Ronui.
Kia ora tātou, I o kūrau rangatira, o tira, I a kūrau, I a kūringa raupā, I runga I te papa o Akataitai, nei rang, te mi kia koutou, o tira, ngā hāpai o mua, caps mā, tō tīma, huri noa ki te hāpai imuri, o tira, ngā ringa raupā e manaki nei a tātou, o tira I te kaupapa. Yeah. Kep said he pulled a photo from Facebook and I was dreading it, and yep, this is the one I was dreading. So you done me dirty there, Caps. But here I am still. So oh yeah, there's the jerseys. Sorry, I'm just honestly I haven't seen it in person. I've only seen it digitally. So I'm just as surprised as you guys, to be honest. But the concept of the jerseys, when Ngāhina approached me, I'd like to say a few weeks ago, but I'd say it would be a few months, just to be kind to him. The concept that he wanted was something that celebrates existing toy within the actual tournament itself, being the shield that we all scrap for on a yearly basis. So including elements that are still quite recognizable for us, but also adding a bit of a colorful flair, just to make it colorful, really. You know, every iwi has their own colors, and so it's about amalgamating them all together so we can gel together and be one people at the end of the day. As you can see in the background colors, the green represents Ngāti Mutunga, full stop. Need I say more? Now, the green represents the whenua, but also paying homage to those that are no longer here. A lot of those names that were displayed earlier on, those were key names for most of us in our upbringing. Like Georgina Luke, I used to call her Nanny George, and she hated it, and I loved it because her moko was too good on the field, so I had to get her somehow because he was smashing all of us old Tama Woods. So yeah, it was awesome to see those, but also pay homage to those OGs of the game, I suppose you call them. With that being said, the colours of the sunrise have been added into the centre and within to the back as a representation of the dawn that stands in front of us. The dawn being the torch that we all held or hold and are ready to pass on to the next generation as they come of age or as they fruition into this beautiful game that we call rugby league. To the right, you can see the, I'm terrible. I can only describe it as flows, but the interlocking pattern, the puhoro pattern within behind the number 10 represents the journey of travel that we all undertake through the year, basically to get ourselves prepped and ready for war come tournament time. The figures on the back side of the right design, they all represent the tupuna that still guide and still nurture us to this day. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Hauro, Norma. I'd just like to take the time to call on Matua John Niwa to bless our jersey. Aroa Michael to tuku Hauro his jersey. Got it, guys? Awesome. Nā koe Hauro, if you know the bro and his pukinga, if you're lucky enough to drive around and see his mahi, even at Te Pipinga, and his famous quote, colour the world, and you can see it in his mahi there. Moving on to the team of the decade for the Wahine. 2019 was the first time we started having Wahine in our Taranaki Whānui Rugby League tournament. Me te mana o te Wahine, ne? Me te mana o te Wahine. We've seen our Taranaki Whānui Rugby League tournament go higher and higher at the exception of our Wahine and recently our Masters team. So, we've got some talented Wahine. They're all plastered all over the world. And that with the Kiwi Ferns coming up this weekend and the NRLW, Gail Broughton was mentioned earlier. I don't want to go on and naming everyone. My sister-in-law, Tiana Davison, that one. Gerald, but yeah, we just want to talk about our Wahine team of the decade, and we're going to name it as we go on tonight. Tēnā tātou katoa. Oh boy, tēnā tātou. Just before we get into naming of the team, so what we're going to do here, Huama, we're going to call out your name, and then you come down the red carpet, up the stairs, grab your hate, take a photo, and then go grab a seat over there. They're not lined up there for nothing, so wait over there once you're on the team, and then we'll name the back of the decade, forward of the decade, and player of the decade. We have two taonga up here for both Wahine Player of the Decade and Tāne Player of the Decade that were carved by the whanaunga Jordan Berry. So we've been pretty lucky to receive all these taonga from all these pukinga around the mountain. So on that note, also one more thing, if a player's name is read out, can we please have a representative from the iwi, even if you paid for 5 iwis, it's all good, to come up and receive the taonga on their behalf. Tēnā koe. Oh boy. First, number 1, Koronika Windle. Haro mai. Oh, Tyson, haro mai koa. Haro mai, Tyson.
Come on, Tyson.
Aroa mai, I had to call on Tyson. Read my notes. Caps did a lot of awesome mahi on my notes. Just got to follow them. Number 2, Rocky Robinson. Number 3, Kaya Rose Kahui. Up the red carpet. Number 4, Freedom Edmonds. Number 5, Karen Pullen. Number 6, Lynn Smith. Number 7, Tony Burgess. Number 8, Tangini Latu. Number 9, Season Blackburn Kingy. Number 10, Alicia Brada. Number 11, Haley Gabriel. Number 12, Kuraraurangi Hudson. Shut, brother. Number 13, Aroha Nuku. Number 14, Pearl Kahui. Number 15, Tiffany Nuku. Number 16, Ruby Hutchinson. Number 17, Kiara Katene. it your name though?
Yeah, that's my sister.
No, ka pai.
Take a photo of that.
Number 18, Alicia Williams. And coach, Kane Kahui. And our manager to wrap it up for our Wahine Team of the Decade, Ange Kahui. Can someone come up and receive Ange's? Oh, tēnā tātou. So moving on now, whānau. We're going to, I did say we're going to hide the points table. We're going to bring it back up as we name our Wahine Back of the Decade, our Wahine Forward of the Decade, and our Wahine Player of the Decade. All the kahuis, even the cars. Okay, kia tau e hoa mai. Remember, be respectful. These are the ture. Watching the number, watching the numbers. And our Wahine Back of the Decade, Kaya Rose Kahui, with 4.5 points. Our Forward of the Decade, Aroa Nuku, with 4.5 points. And that leaves our Wahine Player of the Decade, from 2015 to 2025, ko to Lynn Smith. Lynn. Say thank you. You run those up when
Thank you very much for, thanks for Caps and that for organising this night. I'm not much of a speaker, so I'll keep it short. But if it wasn't for Kane, none of this would actually happen for our Ruahine girls. So this all goes for you, Kane, and all the other sissies. Enjoy your night. Thank you.
Ka pai, tēnā tātou, miharo wahine mā. Ka pai, next up, we have our, let's get our photo and then we'll introduce the Tāne Team of the Decade.
Shooting stars, all of the lights, all of the lights. Until the singing said they really are. All of the lights. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life. If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life.
Kaboy, you would have just captured that little clip of our introduction to our Tāne Team of the Decade from 2015 to 2025. We all know how much this means. This Tāne competition means to some of us Tāne out there. It's been a thriving competition for the last decade. We've talked about all the hard work that's gone into this team. It brings people home from Australia. It brings people home from the South Island, from Te Tai Rāwhiti, Te Tai Tokerau. It brings players that have contributed so much to the game in the NRL, in Super League, wherever they've gone on, and people still want to come home and play in this tournament. And it's such a huge day on our calendar, weekend on our calendar, and it's just massive. So mihi ana to congratulations to all the players named in the Team of the Decade, and let's bring on another 10 years. So roll on the Tāne Team of the Decade from 2015 to 2025. Number 1, Quinn Conibia. Number 2, Benny Kātene. Number 3, Patioma Moeahu Liota. Number 4, Michael McDonald, Ngāti Tama. Number 5, Stevie Ray Gray, Ngārua Hinerangi. Number 6, Brett Aston Landers, aka Flanders. Number 7, Brendan Hikaka. Number 8, Bronx Lewis Teatiawa. Number 9, Liam Parker Taranaki Tūturu. Number 10, JJ Pokai Pukeariki. Number 11, Timmy Rainsfield Teatiawa. Number 12, Wala Hauraki Teatiawa. Number 13, Cruzy Rauna. Number 14, Rangi Chase. Number 15, Taumatu Nohotima Teatiawa. Number 16, Cody Martin Ngāti Tama. Number 17, Sammy Bennett Ngārua Hinerangi. Number 18, Engele Fido Teatiawa Ngāti Tama. And coach. Wendell Hayden Healy. And manager to wrap up our Team of the Decade 2015-2025, Nancy Lee Kātene Ngāti Ruanui. A huge round of applause to our Team of the Decade 2015-2025. Hayden, can you please come up and grab your coach's jersey, please? Now, please, Wendell. I'd rather the Kevin Lockwood. Oh, yeah, those ones. Shot Hayes. Mate paki e wama. And now we'll move on while they're sorting out their photo, their team photo. We'll move on to our back of the decade, our forward of the decade, and complete it with our player of the decade. Watching the points table there, Walmart. So starting with our back of the decade, Walmart. And our back of the decade is Brendan Hikaka. Followed by our forward of the decade, Wala Hauraki, Te Atiawa. And to complete the night off, the Team of the Decade off, with our player of the decade, who else? E hoa ma, ho mai te piki paki paki, Cruzy Rauna.
Oh, kia ora whānau. I'm a little bit shy. I've probably got most to say on the field, and but off the field it's a little bit backwards for me. But I'd just like to thank Wayne Caps and all the committee for driving this comp. And you know, it's one of the comps that we look forward to every year, and it's just growing and getting bigger and better. And without you Caps right behind it, you know, we wouldn't be where we are today. And to Te Aotearoa, like, I wouldn't be standing up here if it wasn't for the brothers and our coaching staff, Hades, Kez, my old lady, my old man, you know, the big backbone of our iwi. And yeah, just bring on next year. Thank you.
Ka pai, tēnā tātou. Just get our last photo in. You want it? You want it?
Not enough hands, eh, Cruzy? Not enough hands for all his tongues. Because he gave names.
Surely. Ka pai whānau, that brings us to the conclusion of our night. No doubt you're all sick of this voice up here serenading you. But it's been my pleasure. It's been a little bit nerve-wracking, not because standing in front of everyone that's talking kaka is a bit of a skill of mine, but this is such a beautiful occasion, and I just wanted to keep the mana high, so that's why I was nervous. So mihi ana ki te komiti, a big mihi to the committee. Bring on another decade. Bring on another decade. Let's hope the succession plan is successioning. And mihi ana kia tātou. I don't want to drag it on too long, and I don't want to name individual people just in case I leave anyone to the side. But there we are. These are our committee. 10-year anniversary, 2025. O mai te piki paki e wama. No doubt we'll see the posters go out for next year. So let's see everyone back again next year. Hopefully the sun comes out and play next year. We don't walk around in the mud, but I rungi tērā, waiho māku tētai karakia I whakakapi tēnei wāhanga o te pō. And then the DJ and the Kazi on the gate will get the jams flowing, get that Ruanui crew back to the whiteout. But on that note, I rungi tērā, puritia mai te tauru o te rangi kia tīnā, kia oenā, kia toko te manawa ora. Tīnā toko te manawa ora ki hea, tīnā toko te manawa ora ki rangi nui e tū nei, ki papa tuanuku e takoto nei. Ki tēnā o tātou te wānau ngā wanaunga me ngā piringa kāranga maa, āpiti atu te ngā maa ui taunga e tāmea nei te pōuritanga. A koe iara e rongo kairia ki kirunga. Tūturu o iti o ka maua kia tīnā. Haumie hui e! Tēnā tātou te whānau.
Treat her like a lady.